Introduce highlight features and quick overview of iYunLife Portable Neck Fan, 2021 Personal Fan. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 2021 newest design. Unlike other portable neck fans, our fan are equipped with aluminum alloy cooling plates on the neck hanging part, so that you can feel the coolness the moment you wear it. The fan adopts brand new appearance, which is different from the existing neck fans on the market. Our personal fan is more fashionable. The 360 degrees surrounding air outlets no longer only feel cool on the face, allowing you to experience a cool feeling that is different from other traditional neck fans. We have analyzed the problems of the neck fans on the market and made some improvements. iYunLife Personal Fan has been adopted noise reduction technology to reduce the decibel input into the human ear, making you safer and more comfortable to use. The fan is made of environmentally friendly ABS and silicone. It is lightweight and portable, very suitable for outdoor use. This portable fan can be charged by USB, it can be used without plugging in, and it is very convenient to use in places without AC, such as shopping malls, hospitals, and outdoor. And it can work continuously for 2.2 to 6.3 hours with single charge. The use time depends on different modes, and we have added a cooling module to the neck fan to keep the battery and engine cool. So you don't have to worry about the fan overheating even if you keep using it. This USB neck fan is very suitable for every scene in life. For example, during gardening work, barbecue, running, walking, hiking, mountain climbing, sunbathing on the beach, sports games, concerts, housework, outside work, playing with children and more. Wearing this neck fan can free your hands, allowing you to quickly cool down in the hot summer. Enjoy the coolness of summer without burden. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.